Welcome to MedAura. Today's topic is hematinics. Iron deficiency anemia affects nearly 1 in 3 people worldwide, making it the single most common nutritional deficiency on the planet. Hematinics are drugs that are required for the formation of hemoglobin and red blood cells and are used to treat various types of anemia. They're broadly classified into 4 categories: iron preparations, vitamin B12, cyanocobalamin, folic acid, erythropoietin. Each corrects a different type of anemia, and that distinction is exactly what examiners test. So let's take them one at a time. Why iron? Iron is the core component of heme, which combines with globin to form hemoglobin. Deficiency leads to microcytic hypochromic anemia, small pale RBCs. Classification of iron preparations. A. Oral iron: ferrous sulfate, ferrous fumarate, ferrous gluconate, ferrous ascorbate, colloidal ferric hydroxide. B. Parenteral iron: iron sorbitol citrate, intramuscular, iron dextran, intramuscular or intravenous, iron sucrose, intravenous, ferric carboxymaltose, intravenous. Exam tip: ferrous salts are preferred over ferric salts because ferrous is absorbed better than ferric. Pharmacokinetics: absorbed mainly in the duodenum and upper jejunum. Absorption enhanced by vitamin C, acidic pH, meat. Absorption reduced by antacids, tetracyclines, phytates, tannins, tea. Absorbed iron binds to apoferritin, ferritin, storage form, or is transported by transferrin to bone marrow. Iron is not actively excreted. The body regulates iron status mainly through controlling absorption. Adverse effects: GI irritation, nausea, epigastric pain, constipation, black stools. Parenteral iron: pain at injection site, anaphylaxis, especially iron dextran. Iron toxicity: acute iron poisoning, common in children, presents in stages: vomiting, abdominal pain, diarrhea, sometimes bloody. A deceptive symptom-free period. Metabolic acidosis, shock, hepatic damage. Antidote: Desferrioxamine, a chelating agent that binds free iron and is excreted in urine as vine rosé-colored urine. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes megaloblastic anemia, large immature RBCs, because DNA synthesis is impaired while cytoplasm continues to mature. Mechanism: vitamin B12 acts as a coenzyme for 2 key reactions. 1. Conversion of methylmalonyl-CoA to succinyl-CoA, important for myelin synthesis. 2. Conversion of homocysteine to methionine, which regenerates tetrahydrofolate, needed for DNA synthesis. This is why B12 deficiency causes both anemia and neurological symptoms, subacute combined degeneration of spinal cord, unlike folate deficiency, which causes anemia without neurological damage. Absorption: B12 requires intrinsic factor, secreted by gastric parietal cells, to be absorbed in the terminal ileum. Pernicious anemia: autoimmune destruction of parietal cells, so no intrinsic factor. B12 malabsorption. Treated with parenteral B12, since oral absorption is unreliable in these patients. Preparations: Cyanocobalamin, Hydroxocobalamin, longer acting, preferred for maintenance therapy. Folic acid is also essential for DNA synthesis, specifically for purine and thymidylate synthesis. Deficiency also causes megaloblastic anemia, commonly due to poor dietary intake, increased demand — pregnancy is a classic exam scenario — certain drugs, phenytoin, methotrexate, sulfasalazine, trimethoprim. Important exam point: folic acid supplementation is routinely recommended periconceptionally to prevent neural tube defects in the fetus. Caution: never give folic acid alone in suspected B12 deficiency. It corrects the anemia but masks the diagnosis while neurological damage silently progresses. Erythropoietin, EPO, is a glycoprotein hormone, normally produced by the kidney, that stimulates RBC production in bone marrow. Clinical use: recombinant human erythropoietin, epoetin alpha, is used mainly for anemia of chronic kidney disease, the classic indication, anemia due to chemotherapy, anemia of prematurity. Adverse effect: hypertension, the most important and frequently tested side effect, increased risk of thrombotic events. Quick revision: iron deficiency, microcytic hypochromic anemia; B12 folate deficiency, megaloblastic anemia; B12 deficiency,
Anemia plus neurological symptoms. Iron poisoning antidote, Desferrioxamine. Pernicious anemia, deficiency of intrinsic factor. Folic acid in pregnancy.
Prevents neural tube defects. Erythropoietin main side effect, hypertension. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. We really appreciate your time and your support. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing to MedAura for more videos exploring the human body one system at a time. We'll see you in the next one.